Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create an Infinix account on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. To create an Infinix account for users this device, it is very easy. First, you can select the settings menu, then you can click log into Infinix Note ID. After that, you can enter your email and verification code. Now to get the verification code, you can select get code. But here I will log in using a Google account. So I will click this option. After successful, then here will be displayed several menus. Here, please complete the information about you in the profile section. Previously, if you are asked to fill in the password, please fill it first. After that, you can complete your information in the profile section. And then you can go back and see the other features. For a warranty card, here you can accept by clicking allow on each request displayed. After that, you can see the validity period of your warranty card. Then now you can exit and see the next menu. In the Infinix Cloud section, here you can synchronize contacts and more. Then if you need help with your device, you can select this option. After that, there is also an account security feature to store the security of your account with several features available. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create an Infinix account on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press the subscribe button for more information. Thank you.